Huh? Which woman? Which woman? There's a woman in the car. He said he begged what? He said he begged what? He said he begged what?
I beg banana bread.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is the banana bread? I love it. How is it made? How is banana bread made?
How is it made?
Yeah, how do you make it?
Why are you doing that?
First of all, let me see how the banana bread is.
I should make it.
Yeah. It's like cake.
Banana cake, banana bread.
Hey, you don't even made it think I don't know the name.
I'm saying you can call it banana bread.
But how come it's so brown? Bring it, let me see. Bring it closer, please.
That's how it's doing.
It's so brown.
I want it to run.
You want it? This is my first time seeing it. Okay. Have a bite, let me see. Have a bite yourself. What is this? What did you use to bake it? What did you use to make it? What did you use to
I
make it?
use flour. I use margarine. So in exchange of margarine, I use oil. So I use oil.
Okay. Red oil.
Flour. No. Red oil. And then you cooking your
I don't know what seed.
So we use oil. Like cooking oil. Normal oil. Brighter oil. So oil, flour, sugar, baking soda.
Baking soda.
I love baking soda. I love baking soda. I use baking soda. I use vinegar, egg, and then milk.
Are these the required ingredients or is your ingredients?
Required ingredients for baking banana bread.
But you can do it in your own style.
No, that's the proper ingredient.
Okay.
There's a spaghetti again.
Yeah, I got it.
The flour, oil, or margarine, or butter, sugar. You can use brown sugar if you like sugar. Brown sugar, baking soda, salt, vinegar, add milk. So that's buttermilk. Buttermilk is milk and then vinegar.
You mix them together.
So milk and then add a teaspoon of vinegar. You get the measurement well.
Did you learn it from somewhere?
No, yes. I went to do fish on. That's where I learned it.
Okay. So you're a foodie? Naturally.
I'm not a foodie.
You love food?
I'm not a foodie.
You love food?
But I love making it.
You love making. So it's out of passion.
Pastries and then food. I'm not a foodie.
So the first time someone ate your big food, what was it?
It was very nice. Very, very nice.
The banana bread.
But I don't usually taste what I make. I don't know why, but I don't usually taste. Unless I can taste something. But I know it's good. Yeah, I know it's good. But because I don't like pastries.
Wait, you don't like pastries?
I don't like pastries.
But you make it?
Yeah. I love making it, but me myself, I don't like tasting it.
What's the love in making it? Is it the process of making or is it?
It's very like fun to make it.
Okay.
Yeah, but what
Very
I don't
fun.
like making pastries is after you have to wash. I don't know. Like the baking part, I don't like it.
Are you serious?
I don't like it. But it's fun to make it. Food to bring out, making pastries.
Kindly bring it, let's have a taste.
So if you can taste, I'll be very glad. I'll be tasting it after I'm sorry.
Video.